Swimming in lane 0, Miguel Chua of Savior School Swim Club. Lane 1, David Lorenzo Dawson, Shark Swim Club. Lane 2, Sugar Shane Martin of Set Shark Swim Club. Lane 3, Sean Sebastian Sergio Pasio of Pasig City Swimming. Lane 4, Luis Mamoto of Alabang Public Club Dippers. Lane 5, Morgan Vincent II of Manila Acronites. Lane 6, Sean Elvin Sasuelo of Liwanag Aquatic Indoor Swimming Team. Lane 7, Eran Matthew Olimos of Santa Rosa City Swimming Team. Lane 8, Calvin Poblete of Pepe Caloocan Swimming Team. Lane 9, Drake Madorazo of Pepe Caloocan Swimming Team. Swimmers for event number 112 proceed to the ready bed. Swimmers for event number 112 proceed to the ready bed.